guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm so happy you found us. A couple of great things. We have passed 10,000 views on this channel. That is amazing. 10,000 views. Woohoo! Good job. Tell your friends, come on over and watch some videos. Got a lot going on. We've got holidays, we've got home decor. We're going to do, creativity, inspiration. I've said it a million times. It can be anything. It can be food, it can be home decor, it can be fashion, it can be creativity, whether you're painting, drawing, or if you're crafting. So tell your friends to come over because we're going to have a little bit of all of it. It's called Life. Also, be sure and check out my 2 new websites. They're linked down below. I would appreciate if you did. Okay, let's get into today's video. It is our Amazon catalog turned into a journal, part 2, where you guys do this one with me. So, and it's all from junk. I'm only going to use junk mail and what's in my catalog, and that's it. Nothing else. None of these, crafty papers that I have a bunch of. None of my other stuff. Just what's in here and a little bit of junk mail. So let's get started. Okay guys, so what we're going to do first is, there's a lot of pages in this, and while I want a big journal, I don't want this many pages. So we're going to go through and take some pages out. Now, some of you may be going, why don't you take all of them out and just start from scratch? Well, I really like the cover, and I will cover the back with another cover. I'll cover the back with, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and I'm going to pull out so many pages because I don't need all of these pages. I'm going to keep probably about 15 to 20 pages total. So let's get started. And I'm just going to go through and go, oh, I like this one. Oh, I don't. And this is a card. It's a postcard, and then I just kind of like the top. But it tears out, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, now the next page, I really like these on the side, and I would cut them out, except these pages I'm going to keep because how adorable. Hold on, let me back you up just a tad. Okay, these pages I really like, so I'm going to keep these as a whole page in my journal. Okay, so this one I'll cover somehow, and this one can come out. So that's what I'm going to do. That one can come out. That one can come out. And I'm looking on the front and the back. Okay, now see, this is on the back of the page. So that page will stay, and I will just take out these 2 so far. And all I'm going to do is just pull them out carefully. This is a catalog, so it does come apart easy. Okay, so I kept that one. Now I'm going to go through again. Oh, my stickers. I've got to take my stickers out because we definitely want to use those. And I'm going to put those up there. Okay, so I don't want this page. Don't want that page. Don't want that page. Okay, let's see. I'm going to take out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm going to take those 5 out. Okay guys, so I am back, and I've got a big load of all the things I cut out. That's a frame. Here's some of the little animals I cut out. I left the sayings if it kind of pertained to me, and I cut them off if they didn't. So anyway, and then all these edgings that I cut, these will make great paper washi tapes, and I'll link the video above where I show you how to do that. Okay. So now I'm going to...
Well, look how wide that hall is. That's like another bedroom there.
Well, if we gained a bonus room.
A bonus room? You were driving my truck through here.
That's good. What happened was I assumed that the walls were perpendicular, and we really couldn't get a vantage point from the doorway into a wall. Let me show you something that'll take your mind off that. Check out the bathroom.
Oh, wow.
Trashing that bathroom was quick and easy. And stone tiles complete the transformation.
That looks a lot better. And it's so much more open.
It really opened it up.
It's almost as take that hallway in there, ain't it?
Yes, it is. Good news is around a double vanity, so get two people get ready in the morning at the same time.
I think that'll be a seller. I really like this a lot.
Hey, babe.
Hey,
It looks so good in here.
yeah, lots of progress. Looks good. Check this out. Bathroom,
Wow. It's so much bigger.
bigger and better.
Love the black.
Yep. Coming. You can start seeing what we're gonna do with it, but we still have to put a bed somewhere in here.
Why don't we do it on that wall?
I mean, yeah, but then you got your bed sticking out here all out in the middle of the room all the time. You know, then there's no space left. You put in a little table or something.
I got it. Let's do a Murphy bed on this wall. It saves room. Put it away. It's gonna be a cabin, right? People are gonna be hunting and doing things, so then you can fold it up. When
I
you're
love the idea. Definitely can see a Murphy bed, and then bed when you need it, and then space when you don't need it.
Everything's on track here. But with house remodeling, something always comes up.
This is bad news. Susie!
At first glance, the roof on Cody and Sue's slate to build something special.
Hello.
Hey,
What you got?
I've got all.
This is a workbench. So, what are you gonna do with a workbench inside a house?
What are you doing?
I've got vision and big.
Wall with salvage knotty pine.
That's what we're in it, all right?
Randy's place is almost finished, and the bathroom is now look. It's auction day. Bidding on Cody and Susie's cabin has stopped at $14,000. That's only $500 profit.
I want more money, but I'll let him be the judge of this one.
Trying to spend 4,000. They got 4,000. We'll do everything I can. All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, I'll tell you what, we're not far off of a mark. We're not far from it at all. We're bidding 14. And we're bidding about 24,000, 24,000, 24 now, 25, 25 now, 26, 25 now, 26. Hold on. You can decorate it. That's a triple threat, man.
Yeah.
That covers no sweat shop.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
I hate it. We do not want this house.
Cozy. I really love a home with some history.
Yeah, man, we need a house that has a future. Yeah, that's historical value in that. Well, I really like this house. The only thing is, a little tricky on there. Probably gonna have to cut it too. But whoever gets this house is gonna make a ton of money. Oh, I'm nervous. God, there's nothing good in this whole house. Other than it looks good from over there. You're missing the whole point of this house. This is a ranchette type house. It means cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. I hear the guys as they're ringing.
We gotta walk away from here with this house.
We're spectators of this auction and have nothing to do with it.
Well, you will be because I am.
Oh, absolutely not.
So let's go get this house.
Thank y'all for coming out to another great auction. The winning bidder here is going to get a piece of history. This is a telephone operator's quarters, built circa 1925. Randy, what was it like back out here in that day, in that time?
Horse and buggy, horse and buggy.
Great, great. Hey, let's get this house sold here. You give me 500, sorry, 500. Now half, now 5.5, now 6, now 6.5. I'm
6 and a half. Now 7. Now 6 and 7. Now 7 and a half. 7 and 7 and a half. Now 8. Now 7 and 8. 8 now 9. 800 now 9. We all done. Going once. 8 and a half going twice. 3 times. $1,000. And now 11. 1,000 now 11. 11 now 11. Don't get mad. Get even. Now 11. Now 11. 10,000. 1,100. Now 12. Now 12. Now 13. Now 12. 13. Now 14. Now 14 here. Now 14 here. Now 14 here. Now 1,500. Now 60. Now 1,500. Now 60. Now 60. 1,500. Now 60. Now 1,500. Big 50. No, 1,500. Sold it.
The only reason you got that was because he was arguing with me. Oh, my heart cried peanut butter for you, darling. It should.
I love it. I'm really hoping the inside looks as nice as the outside. Oh, I love this house. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. People love tall ceilings. Oh my gosh, the characteristics on this old house. Listen to this. You can't hear no squeak. That's how well built it was.
Solid foundation. This is a nice sized kitchen. Look at this.
Oh my gosh, look. This is shiplap.
That's nice.
This whole house is going to be built like that. That's why it's so sturdy.
You can't find wood like that in
No.
houses nowadays at
No,
all.
builders don't do that anymore. Shiplap is extra lumber on the ceiling and the walls, and that makes for a nice, strong house. Cha-ching!
Okay, hallway.
This is the original outside.
So this has been added, hasn't it? We can get them to knock this off. It'll be easier load for them.
Yeah, we're going to have to demo off the back. That is not part of the original house. Let's forget that.
Moving on.
This is the only bedroom.
Only bedroom. And it connects to our lovely bathroom.
This is part of that part we set outside that's got to be demoed off.
Is this the only bathroom in the whole house?
Oh, no. I don't know, but Daddy, yours will kill us.
On the west side of Fort Worth is Weatherford. It's a growing town, and Main Street is changing. This corner lot has been rezoned commercial. An old farmhouse has to go. It's 914 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 1 bath.
Thanks to see who all is going to be out this way.
Well, we better win this dog fight.
I ain't scared.
I think this is it. Quite a few people here.
You're up. There we go. Huge eyesore.
Amazing. We actually agree.
Yeah, neither one of us like this house.
Well, we've got a lot of east end here.
I wonder if this was added on. Plus that back part was added on.
Yeah. There's not any part of that house that I like.
It's not really worth our time.
Got a little fighting issues over there.
Okay, it's got a lot of fighting issues, Randy. Speak the truth here, fella.
You know, what I like to think about it. Ching, ching. Easy to move, easy to load, place to move. $2,000 no fee for that. Flip it real quick. Get a low income, quick, cheap, move.
I think it's going to be a more than a few thousand, Randy.
I'm a working man. I like the new stuff. Structure.
Well, you're going to have your work cut out for you if you get this one.
I'll be making my money and carrying to the bank before anybody knows. All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to say a little house.
Okay guys, here is our finished Amazon catalog journal using nothing but the catalog and maybe a little bit of lined notebook paper, but that's it. That's all I used. Of course, gesso that I talked about earlier, but if you don't have gesso, don't sweat it. White paint works just as good, and of course, I use double-sided tape. You can also always use glue. I just wanted it to dry. So here's the cover. I left it just as it was. I just thought it was so adorable. And then on this page, what I did was I covered up the words with some of the sides that I cut off. And then I put one of the cute little animals that were on the pages right there. Here, all you can see is I gessoed over the words. I left the cute side. If you wanted to take this page out, you certainly could cut these up and use them throughout the journal. I love this, so I just left this as it was. And then this is like a frame, so I can put a picture there if I want. I can put stickers, whatever. And then here's some of that notebook paper. And then right here, I made a pocket out of one of our woodland friends. And then this postcard came, and I just put a sticker on it. I left all these cute pages that told stories or had an activity for me to do. So as I'm making lists or doodling, I can also do that and read those. This is one of the cute woodland creatures that I found on the pages. I just put him in the center because I thought it was adorable. And then here's some of the page edging that I used as paper washi tape. And I had put that a card for that video earlier. There's that. And then most of it I just left plain. This is a pocket because I kind of loved this whole graphic. And I put the rest of those little woodland animals in here. There's quite a few in here, so I just put them in this pocket. So when I get ready to use the journal, I will have them available. And on some pages, I just, left the artwork and just gessoed around. And then some pages, like I said, just something to do, something to doodle. Thought it would be fun. And then this is one of our woodland friends, and I made a big tuck spot. And here's all the great stickers that we got in this catalog. And then there's another woodland creature. That's the crane, and some more of that great paper side that I've turned into washi tape. Another frame and some more notebook paper. As you can see, I did not really use a lot of anything but the catalog itself. Here's another woodland creature and some of that siding, and then this was just like a tag. Put that up there and made a tuck spot. Then another frame, but I put the fox in it, so the fox's picture was framed. Another woodland creature that I made into a belly band, and I put some of the extra frames. This was that great flip out. I made this into the flip out. It was our wish list card. And then, let's see. The last page is how to make great cardboard animals and just space to write. And then the cover, I just put some of the page edging washi tape just as decoration. And that is our Amazon holiday catalog turned into a journal. And it's going to be awesome. I'm going to use it to make a list. I did want to show you one thing. I took a page and turned it into a cute little envelope. And if you don't know how to do this, you don't need any fancy equipment. I'll show you real quick. You can just take a page, and you'll want to trim it all even. And then you take the top part and fold it in together till it's on the center line, imaginary center line. So you get a triangle like that, and then you take the sides and fold them in about 1/2 inch to 1 inch, depending on how wide you want your envelope. Okay, you fold those in just like that right there. Then you fold the bottom up. You don't want to bring it all the way to the top because you want your flap to not go below your envelope, because that looks like a tie hanging out of somebody's shirt, honestly. And there you have an envelope. You just glue or tape your sides, and it's that easy. So that's what I did here. And then I put some of my paper washi tape. I put a sticker from the stickers that came. And yeah, I have a great little envelope that I can just come in here and hook on a page. And I'm good to go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to turn an Amazon holiday catalog into a journal, a very functional journal. You will probably see a video of me using this or talking about what a list journal is, because I know I've said list journal a lot and people are probably wondering. Thanks for being here. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below. Have you ever taken junk mail and turned it into a journal using nothing else but the junk mail itself or a catalog? Take care, and remember, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Bye.